piece of family land. We usually hear it every year on opening day. It's always been.
Dude, that is sweet. Nice calling, bro. He came right through. He's heavy.
Alright, dude. Where are we at, man? Opening day? It's a little piece of family land. We're usually here every year on opening day.
Sweet.
And it's always been pretty good luck. You know,
Yep.
we were here last week doing some early scouting. Birds were
That's-
busting everywhere.
Dude, that was awesome,
They
man.
were
They were on that
all
back
over.
ridge over there.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't even have to use the locator. They're howling at us.
That's true, man.
So,
Now, can we expect them to be over there? I mean, is that usually where they are?
Rich, that's where they usually are pretty much every year. That's where they want to roost. I mean,
Cool.
in the fall, they tend to move a little bit, but typically this time of year, they're right there, and they're
Yep.
going to look for their honeys, and let's be in between them.
Opening day is always just a beautiful thing, man, to get out there. I mean, it's still dark. We lucked out with the rain.
Yeah, I mean, it just slipped by us,
Oh.
you know, so I thought we were going to be wet this morning, but
We were last year.
yeah. I think we're going to be all right this year.
But, yeah, I'm pretty psyched, man. I think it's going to be a good morning. We can slip in there under cloud cover. It's pretty dark, and
And it's nice and quiet.
yeah,
The rain
exactly.
did help us last night. We're
Yeah, it
nice
did.
and quiet going in, so
cool.
hopefully we'll get in there and bust them.
All right, brother. Let's do it.
Right.
Sweet.
You know, here's a good tip.
when you got a place like this in a morning like this morning, with all these many birds all around us, you really got to be very careful how you move to the birds. You might be able to see that I had 2 birds up here that I had to keep my eye on, but we had another bird down here that was totally committed. So I couldn't move on that bird until I knew these 2 up here were clear. Because if they busted me, we wouldn't have got this bird here. So that's something to keep in mind when you got that many birds around you, of how you're gonna move and when you can move and how to get to the bird that really wants to get to you.
Yeah, dude. Sweet. Go get him, man.
Oh, I'm getting them.
Nice. Who said birds don't go in the rain? Yeah, man. Sweet. Dude, he's big.
That's a big bird. He's heavy.
Nice.
20 plus pounds, I'd say.
No kid.
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome. That is awesome.
Whew.
What a bird.
Yeah. You know, I thought I shot him a little low.
Yeah.
Because
well,
it was
he
such
went
a
down like a ton of bricks.
It was such a quick shot, and I had such a little window, and it looks like I did. Thank God this gun, I know, is patterned, and it's matched up right with the right ammo, and it did the job, even without a blasting headshot.
That's cool.
It still got him, you know, and I was a little nervous because it happened so quick, because I had such a small spot, and he's a great bird.
He's big.
He's a big bird.
Check out his fin. Oh!
I mean, that's a good Eastern
Dude, that thing is
turkey
awesome.
right there.
I gotta check him out. Nice! Dude, that
Thanks,
is
bro.
sweet!
Nice calling, bro. He
Thanks,
came
man.
right
I
to you.
appreciate it.
Right to you.
It didn't take a lot, man.
No,
Just a
I
little
mean,
bit.
you know, we must have had hens behind us too, and you just helped them along.
Little coaxing.
Little
Dude,
coach.
he's gorgeous.
Yeah.
He is absolutely gorgeous.
He's a heavy, good 20 plus pounder.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
He might be, man.
It can't
That
be a turkey
is
tail.
Sweet. No doubt, man.
Yeah.
Good job.
You too, man. Thanks.
Let's pack
Thanks
them
so
out.
much. Let's get at it.
That's awesome. Get another one?
Yeah, man. Your turn.
You got it. Cool. You're carrying them out.
Oh, come on.